Plumbers hide this hack from you. After I learned it, I never had this problem in my house again. Most people use this tool to unclog the toilet. It's less likely to work if the toilet is severely clogged. While others use boiling water, not only does this not work, but it also can be dangerous, so never do that. In this video, I'll show you a different and very effective way to unclog your toilet, just by using a plastic bag. That's right. First, let's dry the toilet very well with some toilet paper. Then let's do the same to the lid. After that, place the plastic bag around the toilet, making sure the bag is sturdy and has no holes. Then go ahead and stretch it well to cover the entire toilet. Next, lower the seat and stretch the bag again. It's very important that the plastic bag is well stretched, so make sure to do just like I'm showing in the video. Now you need to sit on the lid to apply some pressure, and then just flush. This sealing process with the plastic bag creates a very strong vacuum with the help of the force from the flush. By doing so, the water itself is going to push its way through the pipes and unclog the toilet. And just check this out, it's unclogged already. Now that you've already know how to quickly unclog your toilet, I'll teach you a recipe to prevent it from happening again, while keeping your toilet fresh and clean. For this, you should cut a lime in half. Then in a container, add 3 tablespoons of laundry detergent. Feel free to use whatever brand you prefer. After that, let's also add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now squeeze the lime we cut earlier. Also make sure to use lime instead of lemon for this, because limes are more acidic and have a better result. Finally, add 1 cup of water and then mix well. And now it's ready. To make application a lot easier, transfer the whole mixture to a spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle though, you can just use a plastic bottle with a hole in the cap. And now just apply this mixture all over the toilet and scrub. With this, you'll keep your toilet clean, fresh, and free from stains. This mixture is very effective and much better than products you buy from stores. So that was today's video. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and I see you guys in the next one.